Hello, Emily here. Welcome. Today I'd love to share with you another beautification routine or tool that I love to use. But I kind of I interchange the gua sha and that I interchange with the gua sha routine. And it's a product called the Energy Beauty Bar. And this kit includes two tools, a roller. It's got two rollers on the end of it, and this is a vibrating facial massager. It comes with it's battery operated. So this Energy Beauty Bar is really good because it works with kind of like a myofascial massage on the skin. You can use it on your face and on your body, but for today I'm going to show you what that looks like on the face. It's great for contouring and increasing circulation and beautification. So normally what I do is I start with the cheekbones. And I'll include the link, by the way, down in the description of the video of where you can get this. So I start on right next to the nose, and I go up. You see how it kind of pulls the skin? There's a very intricate web of, it's called myofascia. It's kind of like it's all the connective tissue in the skin. And what we're doing here is we're gently lifting it with this roller. And as you can see, it kind of increases the redness a little bit. It gets that blood flowing to the surface and throughout the tissues. You can kind of go underneath the jawline. I love to do this right here to kind of create more definition in this area. You can just kind of, and you always want to go in an upward motion to go kind of against gravity, as our skin is always kind of being pulled downward. And you want to, you can go up towards the eyebrows and avoid the eye area, because this tissue is really delicate. So you'll want to kind of go above that. You can go into the forehead. I like to go in this direction along the forehead. And go up to the hairline, all the way up into kind of right next to the ear, and do the other side about 10 times, going upward along that jawline. And you'll see, and this really does wonders for decreasing puffiness and creating a nice beautiful lines on the face. So you can go up, you can even go in between the eyebrows and go along the forehead like this. And you'll feel different areas of tension, and you can spend some more time. Like I can feel it a little more here on my head. It's a little more tight in that area. I just want some more attention. And you can go down the nose. And I like to go across the mouth. So this is, that's the face, and I like to go down the neck as well. And you may even feel more drainage happening as you're opening up the lymphatic system. And for this part, you want to start at the jawline and go all the way down to the collarbone. Going all the way around the neck. You can really feel that opening up, even the musculature as you're working that myofascia down in there. And I like to go kind of up the back of the neck into the occiput. It's a really good area. We tend to hold some tension in there. And I like to go down the tops of the shoulders. This area feels really good. You want to kind of do gentle motions at first. Down the other side of the neck, starting at the bottom of the ear. There's some really nice glands that you can kind of lightly stimulate and all along that area. And again, down, and you may feel it like one side tighter than the other, and you can spend a little more time kind of going into those crevices and across the shoulder once again, going up the neck and the back, all the way up, and kind of go along the spine and the back. And this really helps tone, shape, and beautify. So you can also go into different parts of the body. I actually do my whole body with this about once a week. It's kind of like your at-home myofascial treatment. And I notice it really helps keep my tissues more just relaxed, and has a whole host of benefits. So that is the roller, and the next one is the vibrating, we'll just call it the vibrating massage tool. And you turn it on at the bottom here, and you may be able to hear it. And with this one, you want to do, and this really helps boost collagen and increases circulation. You again want to go into an upward motion. Go along the eyebrows. I like to go up on the forehead. If you got any like expression lines, you can spend a little more time on those. And slightly going upward along the forehead and across that other side. Along that jawline, across the nose. Go underneath the jawline. So you're stimulating here cellular turnover. And that's what really helps youthen and beautify the skin. You can go down the neck, or you can also go up the neck if you're wanting to have more of a lift, down for more of a lymphatic drainage. And you can go all the way around the neck. Spending any time in areas you feel that need more attention. So, this is a really awesome, you can go into the chest. It's kind of, I like to call this an extension of the face, the décolleté, the cleavage area. My skin, I do my skincare here, but I also bring it down here, like the French women do. All right, so this is this tool, and I will include the link down below for both of those. Again, it is the Energy Beauty Bar set, and I love using this just once a week on my whole body, and then my face whenever I feel necessary. So anyway, I invite you to explore that, and let me know how it works out for you in the comments below. And thank you again for joining me. See you in the next video.